Hey guys, RJ McCollum here, and I created a project management app for freelancers called Hector. Now, immediately from the beginning, when I started thinking about what Hector was going to do and all the features that it was going to have, I knew that it was important for me specifically, and probably for you as the user, to be able to use Hector anywhere that you are. Now, I built Hector in only 30 days, from idea to execution. And I knew that was going to be a challenge in and of itself, so I didn't go ahead and build an iOS app or an Android app for Hector, but what I did do is make sure that Hector was mobile ready from the beginning. I took it a couple steps farther than simply making Hector responsive. I actually added some things so you can easily add Hector to the home screen of your phone and use it just like you would an app. So here's a quick video on how to do that, and I hope if you haven't signed up for Hector yet, you visit hectorapp.com, sign up for free, and if you have signed up, thanks, and I appreciate you using Hector. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to add Hector to the home screen of our phone, so that way we can use it as if it is an app on our phone. So first what we're going to do is we're going to open up Safari or whatever browser of your choice. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the Hector website, which is at hectorapp.com. And instead of logging in or doing anything like signing up at this point, we're just going to directly add it to our home screen. And the way that you do that is by tapping the share button at the bottom and then tapping add to home screen. And you'll see the nice little Hector icon comes up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the title down so that way it just says Hector. Now once we've done that, we're just going to tap add, and that's going to take us to our home screen where we now see the Hector icon. So this way Hector's going to act just like an app would on your phone. So when we tap Hector to open it up, it takes us to the home page of the site, so we're going to tap login at the bottom, and we're going to log in using our credentials. Now that we have our credentials typed in, what we're going to do is we're going to select Remember Me. That way every time you open up the Hector app on your phone, it's not going to ask you to log in. So since we've done that, let's tap Login, and you'll see that we're signed in successfully and taken right to the Hector dashboard, where we can see all of the projects that we are either working on or collaborating with, as well as all of our to-dos. It's pretty easy to navigate throughout Hector. You can just tap the little menu icon in the bottom left, and that'll open up the sidebar, which has all of the navigation in it. So if I just want to view to-dos, I can tap on to-dos, and here we go. Now you have all the functionality that you have on the desktop version of Hector in this mobile version as well. So if we want to create a new to-do items, we can do that. We'll say sample to-do. These are our notes. And let's set a due date for tomorrow. So I'm going to create this to-do, and you'll see that it is successfully created, at which point we can go back to our to-dos, and let's say we want to complete this. We'll just check that off, and we can view our completed to-dos here. So again, you have all the functionality of Hector that you have on the desktop version on the mobile version as well. So that way you can keep up with things on the go, answer comments, or upload files even if you need to. If you have questions or feedback, please feel free to let us know, and thanks for using Hector.